Okay, so our topic is about, okay, very good. So let's have a recap. Okay, so we have from our 1 to 10, we have ichi, ni, and san, and so on until ju. Ichi, ni, san, yon, gu, yon, go, roku, nana, hachi, kyu, ju. Okay? But if we come two digits, for example, we make it 11, okay? Just adding ju, then the one, it becomes ju, ichi. For 12, it becomes ju, ni. So let's have some example. How about 20? How to say 20? Ni ju. Okay, we have our ni ju. Okay, ni ju. How about 23? Let's go now. 23. Ni ju san. Okay, ni ju san. How about 30? We have our sanju. Okay, sanju. Okay, very good. How about 32? Sanjuni. Okay, and so on with the following here. Okay, 38、40、45、50. So this is for our numbers. Okay. Now let's go now here. If we look at our hundreds. Okay. For our 100, we have our hyaku. Hyaku. Then for our 200 is ni hyaku. But this one is our special. We have our sambyaku, yon hyaku, go hyaku. This is also special. We have our ropyaku. Then we have our nana yaku. Then we have our hachi hyaku. You have our kyu yaku and kyu yaku. Then follow with our eto. Okay, only for until that one because that will become 1,000 already. For our 1,000. Let's go back here. So for our 1,000, we have our sen, nisen. We have also our special sanzen, yonsen, gosen, and we have our rokusen, nanasen. Okay. Then we have our special of hasen, then kyusen. Okay. So these are the following of our number for our thousands. So let's take a look with our number first. Okay. From our 1 to 10 for our this number. Let's have some example now. Okay. How to say in now we are now able to count. Let's have added here, okay, by tens. Okay. Okay, so we have our ju, ni ju, san ju, yon ju, go ju, roku ju, okay, nana ju, hachi ju, 90. Okay, that's how it works here. So let's have some example. We want to say 1,453. So how are we going to pronounce that or read that? So we have our sen, then our 400, yon yaku, then 50, we have go ju, then san. No? So we have sen, yon yaku, go ju san. 1,453. Okay. Sen, go yaku, yon yaku, goju san. So let's have some practice. Let's have 25,677, 2,567. How to say that? Send your answer in Zoom chat. Okay, so we have our, okay. So we have our niece and chatamat. So we have our niece and, okay. Nice goyaku, then rokuju, nana. Okay. Very simple, right? Nisen goyaku rokuju nana. How about let's have this one? Okay, good. So we have our special here. We have our Hassan. Then we have our, oops, this is one special. This is Hapyaku should be. Hapyaku. Okay, a minute. I have wrong type. Should be Hapyaku. Hassan. Hapyaku 45。はい、横できました。Let's have, okay, this one. Okay, so we have our three, we have our sanzen, then follow with our 689. 3689。89。89。89。Okay, next one, let's have, okay, this one. So remember, this is also special. Very good. So we have now our gosen, hapyaku, then kyuju, okay, hachi. Gosen, hapyaku, kyuju, hachi. Okay, みんなわかりますか？ Any question before? Gozen is the morning, not gozen, no? Gosen. Gosen. Not gozen. Gozen is morning. Now let's go on now with our writings, how to write it. Okay, let me go. I think Catherine has a question. Go ahead. Gosen. Okay. Now be ready. I want everyone to turn on their camera and show me your whiteboard. Let's have a review of your writing, okay, with your whiteboard. Okay, for those doesn't have any whiteboard, you can use any pen and paper. Then just write it in the notebook. Then show on the screen, okay, or show it on your camera. So be mindful of this stroke order because this one will show up on your module 2 quiz. Okay, so be careful. Okay, now let's go ahead now with the following number. Okay. For module 2, this will be the coverage. Okay, so first one, let's have our first kanji here. Okay, so we have our ichi, very good, from left to right. Okay, so simple. Okay, go right now on your board and show on the screen. Very good, Fardin. Okay, just only one stroke. Very good, Kenzo. Okay, Janelle. Okay, hi. Okay, very good. Okay, just make it a little bit straight, Araneta, because what it shows is like a tilde. It's a tilde. Okay. Okay, Jerry, very good. Okay. Norvina, okay, make it straight. Okay. Medyo ni Ulysses ang ano natin, itchy. Okay, Norvina too, make it straight. No? Okay. Next one, let's go with our knee. Okay. They are not the same length for our knee, for our two. So let me show to you the kanji, how to write it. Okay, so let's go. 1 and 2. Okay, very good, Jerry. Okay, Christian. Okay, Janelle, Farden. Okay, Jonah. Okay. Hi, yokodakimashita. Okay. Hi. Now let's go now with our next kanji of 3. Okay, chatamate. Okay, part 3. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so remember, very good. Kenzo, hi. Janelle, okay. Fardin, hi. Kenneth, Tadashi, okay. Okay, Araneta, okay. So remember that stroke order. Okay, next one. Okay. Okay, we have our yawn. Okay, so 1, 2, then down, here and here, and going here. Okay, so go ahead now. Okay, very good, Kenzo. Hi, Catherine. Hi, Fardin. Okay, Janelle. Hi. One more. Hi, Araneta. Hi, Christian. Okay. Hi, Jerry Tadashi. Okay. Okay, Christian. Okay. Hi, yokodakimashita. Okay. Okay. Hi. So that is for our yawn. Okay. Next one, our volt test 5. Okay. Chatamate. We have our go. Okay, let's go here. Go. Okay, our number. Okay, so try to write now. Okay, Angelique, hi. Okay, very good, Jerry. Okay. Okay. Hayoko dekimashita. Okay. So be careful. I want you to study very well with the exam. Okay. Because this is what it will show on your exam. Okay. Hold on. Let me show that to you. For the module 2 exam, this is how it will look like for your exam. Okay. So nobody will ask me question, Sensei, what am I going to put here or else and else? Okay. So for example, okay, let's have, okay, so make sure I want you to practice it. So for example, in this case, what number should we put here in this box? What number is that? 4. Okay, is it 4? Okay, let's see the here. Okay. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. So this is the fourth one. Okay. So that's the reason I want you to practice writing it. Okay. 4. Okay. So that's how it will look like. So I want you to keep practicing the writing. Okay. So because that will reflect on your exam. Okay. Next one. Okay. Let's have our 6. Okay, we have our 6 here. Okay, write it now. Then show me your screen. Okay, for our Roku. Okay, very good. Okay, a little bit space, Narvina. Okay, okay, for the legs. Let's make it separate. Okay, Angelique, very good. Make it a little bit center. Okay, the legs. Okay, put it in the right proportion. Jay, very good. Hayoko dekimashita. Okay, Jerry, Araneta, very good. Extend a little bit the legs, Araneta. Your legs is a little bit short. Okay. Okay, next one. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's go with this one. Okay, it has 2 strokes. So how to write it? 1 and then 2 here with jump here. Okay, go ahead. Okay, very good. Kenzo. Okay, very good. Janelle. Okay. Hi, Jerry. Okay. Hayako dakimashita. Belinda. Okay. Ang cute naman ng board ni Belinda. May Frozen. Okay. Ang cute kaya. I thought nag-drawing ka pa. Ang bilis mo na mag Okay, next one. Ito. We have our 8. If you will see this one, this is for computer, right? So for computer. But if we're gonna write it, okay, it will produce a different stroke. This is for computer, but if we're going to write, it's a different. Okay. This one, you extend this one a little bit long. Okay. Very good, Kenneth. A little bit here, longer here on the top. Okay, very good, Araneta. Okay. Okay, Juanico. Okay, Saniko, Jerry. Hayoko dekimashita. Okay. Okay, very good, Raimundo. Raimundo. Hi. Gasita. Okay, hayoko dekimashita. Okay. Next character, we have our 9. We have for our Q. Okay. Okay. So it has 2 strokes. So be careful which one will go first. Go here first and on this side. Okay, very good. Hayoko dekimashita. Hi, Lot Lot. Hi. Faridin, very good. Okay. Hai, semana. Hai, tadashi. Okay. Then next one is for our 10. We have our ju. Very simple. Okay. So 10. Okay. So it's also 2 strokes. So which one will go first? 1, then up and down. Ju. It's like plus. Very good, Narvina. Okay, hi. Very good. Okay, our Ju. Now let's go with our Hyaku. Okay. For the stroke order. Okay. Okay, very good. But let's go with the stroke order, 6 strokes. So which one will go first? Let's go with this order. We have 1, 2, go here, 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 and here. One more. 1, 2, 3. The video is recorded, so after the class, you can watch this video again. Okay, so you can know the strokes order. Then our next is we have our sen for our 1,000. Very good, everyone. Okay, sen. Okay. So this is for 3 strokes. Okay, for 1,000. Okay. So we have 1, 2, then going here. So be mindful of which one go first. Okay, go here, here, and here. Make sure you go on the right strokes. One more. Very good. Hai, yoko dekimashita. Okay. Now let's try to recall now what have we learned, and let's try to practice with the words. Okay. I'm gonna give you a number, then I want you to write it in kanji. Okay, right on your board. Okay. How about 453? How to write that? Send your answer. Write it on the board. 453. 453. Okay, good. 453. So let's go here. Check on natin. 453. So we have our Yonju. Okay, Yonyaku. Yonyaku Goju-san. Okay. Yonyaku Goju-san. Okay. Yonyaku Goju-san. Okay, how about let's have 356. 356. Okay, 300. Okay, Kenzo. 305. Hai, tadashi. Kenzo. Kenneth. Hi. Lot, may kulang. Okay, check carefully. Jerry. Okay, Sambyaku. Kulang pa. 56, 50. 50 should have. No? San. Okay, 3. Then Yaku. Yaku. Then we have our Goju. No, this one. Goju-roku. Goju-roku. Okay, so this one. 356. Okay. How about let's have 8,935? 8,935. Try to write it. Okay. So answer we have 8,935. Okay. 35. Okay. わかりますか? Should someone がありますか? Any questions so far? ありません? Okay. Should someone はありません? Okay. So let's have some drills. Okay, hold on here. Give me a moment. Tap this. Okay, hold on. Advanced flashcard. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go with this one. Let's try to write this one. $3,295. Okay, we have Janelle. Okay. Okay, good. Angelic, I have. Norvina. Okay. John. Okay. Let's see the answer.
3295.
Okay. So who got it? Is correct? Okay, good. Next one, last one. Okay. Hi, very good. Okay. Hi. Okay, so let's see the answer.
9266.
Okay. Check carefully. Wow, tuwang-tuwa si Lot-Lot. May pagpalakpak. Nanalo sa loto lang. Okay, hey, okay, last one. Okay. Okay, Kenzo is up again. Okay. Okay. Okay.
8270.
Okay, so we have Hassan 270. Okay? Tama? Okay, very good. はい、横できました。Okay? Now let's talk now with another drill. ちょっと待って。No. Let's go now with 10,000. Okay, hold on, give me a moment. Okay, so for 10,000 is we have our ichiman. Ichiman, okay, for our 10,000. So we're adding only man to them. So we have niman, okay, and so on and so on. Niman, sanman, yonman, goman, rokuman, nanaman, hachiman, kyuman. So this one is not me. So let's have some example now here. Okay. If you want to say 10,156, 10,156. So we will have our ichiman. Okay, so it's zero. We are not saying that anymore. Ichiman, and we have our hyaku. Yaku, then we have our goju, roku. Ichiman, yaku, goju, roku. Okay. But if we will have our one here, 11,156, ichiman, then sen. Okay. Ichiman sen, yaku, goju, roku. Goju, roku. So now let's take a look now. How about say here 87,500 87,256. Okay, can you send in Zoom chat? Okay, send your answers. So we have our Hachiman. Hachiman, then we have our Nanasen. Okay. Miyaku, Goju, then Roku. Okay, next one. Let's try now how to write our man. Okay. So let's see how to write it. This is the screen. Okay. So let's try to write. This is for our man, ichiman. This is already for our 10,000. So now let's try to write now some characters. Okay. Let's now combine it now. Ito ka na. How about this time? How to say this one now? Okay. How to write it in kanji? 91,123. 91,123. Okay. Good. Kenzo has already. Kenil, Angelique. Okay. Norvina. Okay, has it already. Norvina, ang ganda ng board mo, no? Parang sa online class ng anak mo yan, no?
91,123
Okay. Hi. For sure na may mga gandang boards dyan sa mga anak niya, no? Kala Belinda, kala Ayan. Ayan, ito ang sagot natin. Hi, yokodakimasu. Okay. Next one. $73,709. Write this one on your board. Okay, this one. Okay, double check your answer now. Okay, is it right? 7,309. Okay. Now let's go now with our 10,000. Okay. Let's go now to our 100,000. So for our 100,000, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, for our 100,000. So with this one, it's every time by 4. So we have ichi. Ito, we have our Ju-man. Okay, Ju-man. Okay, ichiman. Ju-man. And this one, we have our Ni-ju-man. San-ju-man. Okay. Yon-ju-man. Go-ju-man. Roku-ju-man. Okay. Then we have our Nana-ju-man. Hachi-ju-man. And we have our Q-ju-man. Okay. So let's have some example. So let's say 100,000, 156,256. Okay. So how are we going to do this one? I'll give you the trick in order for you to do this one. What you're gonna do first is you will separate the digits by 4. Okay. Separate the digits by 4. Okay. So go here. You go with make it the 4, 4. Okay. Anyway, can't. Let's me try to do this one instead. Okay. So let me go here. Okay, 15,000 first. So we will go 15. Okay, check the math. How to go for 15? So we have our Jugoman. Okay, so this one, we just only drop man. Okay, because we have 15. We have Jugoman. Okay, then from there it's already 6,000. Rokusen, 200. Then we have our 56. In this case, you will drop our man for our June. So you don't say Juman Goman. Okay, you don't say that one. Okay, because you're gonna read first our 15 for our Juman. Okay, Jugoman. So we don't say Juman Goman, it's Jugoman. So drop this one, the man here, because we have here. Jugoman rokusen niyaku goju roku. Let's have another example. How about 8,009, 8,000, 898,800, let's have this one. 895,000, okay, 895,265. Okay, send your answer in Zoom chat. So first is we have our Hachi Human, okay? So Hachi, we will drop man. Hachi Ju Human, okay? Hachiju Human, okay? Then we have our 5, Gosen, Miyaku, Rokuju, Go. 89万5260。はい、横できました。Now let's try that in writing now. Okay, how about this one? 919,701. Write it now in kanji. Show your board. Okay. So if you're using the man for just stand alone, you don't write anymore the one, just only no radical. Because once you have that one, it's already considered.
9、10、1万、9700、1。
Okay, this one. Or you can drop this already. The each here. You can drop here. It's okay still if you have one. Okay. So we have our 91万9701. Okay. Next one. Okay, Catherine, there you go. Angelique, okay. Okay, good. Janelle, okay, we have it already. Okay, okay, Farden, okay, good. Ramon, okay. Answer.
3、10、3万、7472。
Okay, got it. Double check it. Okay. Now you already know how to write numbers in kanji for 6 digits already, no? Okay, so before we begin to the next lesson, any question about the numbers in kanji? Arimasen. Okay, no question so far. Okay, I have, okay. Sensei, what's million? Okay, very good. So we will not talk about yet for the million because usually in the million it's used by scientists, okay, by science, usually by distance and shape, no? I will teach that to you about the Okuman once you already have millions, okay? Let me know, then I'm gonna start teaching you. Okay? Once you're already a millionaire, let me know how I will teach you about the Okuman, okay? The usage of Okuman. But for now, it's for the N5, this is already safe. It's already more than enough. Sometimes even an N4 passer already forget this one because they don't use it. So the key here is to use it, okay? Because even you know it, then you don't use it. You will really forget this part. Now let's go now with our times, okay? Let me go here. Okay, 11 and 12, okay, right? So in Japanese, once we add G, this is our time, 1 o'clock and so on and so on, right? Okay. Now we have our minutes. This is our special, so remember. Okay? 1분, 2분, 3분, 4분, 5분, 6분, 7분, 8분, 9분, 10분, 11분, 12분. Okay, that is for the minutes. Okay, how about let's say how about 11 minutes? Okay, 11 minutes. Okay, so we have our 10분 and so on. How about if you're gonna say here our minutes here? Okay, for example, 20 minutes we have our 20분. Okay, 20분. 23 minutes we have 23분. Okay, then 30 we have han, or you can say 30분. So if you're gonna notice all the 30s, 40s, 20s, it has double P, okay? Even letter P here. But for 32, how to say 32? Not double U, okay? It become 32분. Yes, it's not W for even one here. For 10 minutes, we don't say 10분, it's 10분, 10분. So take a look and have some of this one as an example. In Japanese, we have our gozen as our AM. This is AM. And we have our gogo as our PM. Okay, gozen. But in Japanese, they have first that time. For example, you want to say 1 a.m. 1 a.m. So it will become for our 1 a.m. in Japanese, it will become gozen ichiji. Gozen ichiji. Gozen ichiji. How about when we say 4 p.m.? We have our gogo, then 4 o'clock is our yoji. Yoji. Gogo, yoji. Gogo, yoji. How about if we want to change now? We have our 1:42. Okay, 1:42 a.m. How to say that? 1:42 a.m. Send your answer in Zoom chat. 1:42 a.m. 午前1時42分。Okay, はい。Okay. Okay. 午前1時42分。Okay. Hi. How about if you want to say 4:29 p.m.? 4:29 p.m. 午後4時29分。29分。はい。午後4時29分。Okay. That's how it works. Now let's go back here. ちょっと待って。こうちょっと待って。Let's have a conversation activity now. I know you are now sleeping. Sorry, I need to extend because this will be the coverage of the module 2 quiz. Okay. So the module 2 chat, okay, can already focus with their quiz because the module 2 chat group will have a different exam now that will come out soon. So I want them to be really prepared. Okay. I'm gonna extend everyone for 30 minutes. For module 1, if you have some plans, you can already go out. Anyway, this is recorded anyway. So for those has planned, you can go already, but for those who can stay, you can, so we can practice conversation. Okay, so like in this case, we have our time. So for our time, okay, hold on here. If I'm gonna ask that for the time, I'm gonna use ima nanji desu ka? Okay, ima nanji desu ka? It means what time is it now? Ima, it means now. Then nanji is what time. Ima nanji desu ka? Okay, so how are we going to answer that? Ima 12時, then we have not yet in 10, so we have 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have our 8 minutes is we have our half point. Okay, remember 8 minutes is we have our half point. Okay. Ima 何時ですか? Ima 12時8分. Okay. That's how it works. But that will not be my activity. Okay, let's have this one instead. Okay, let's go in this board instead. Okay, let's have Aldri. Okay, King, I will turn on your mic because I see you more often in YouTube chat, in YouTube live. Okay. Okay. Let's have Kaiwa with you. Okay. Your mic is on now. Kikoemasu ka? King? King? Okay, can you hear me, King? Check mic test. Sensei, is it okay to say re, reji? Why reji? Re is means example. For this one, no, it's not normal because zero, no, we don't say that one. Okay, King, your mic is on. Can you hear me? Okay, the mic is not working for King since I'll pass phone. Okay, so let's have J. Okay, let's have J. J. Okay, your mic
Hi,
is on.
Sensei.
Okay, good. So now, Jay, I'm gonna ask you now a question for the 3 o'clock. Okay, hold on. So I will ask you, what are you going to do at 3 o'clock? Okay. So how to do that? Okay. San Ji. San Ji. ちょっと待ってね。3時に何をしますか ?Okay. 3時に何をしますか Based on the picture, how are you going to say that?
3時に
Very good.
ゲーム
3時に
3時にゲームをします。
Okay, game, right? You see the icon here. Game wo shimasu. Okay. So, for example, you want to say here, okay, okay, 4 o'clock. So how you would say in a question now, on 4 o'clock, what are you going to do at 4 o'clock?
4時に何をしま
Special.
すか
We don't say yonji, yoji.
あ、
Special.
4時。
Very good.
すみません。
Remember our 4 o'clock special. It's yoji special.
はい。
4時に
4時に何をしますか
Okay, good. So I'm gonna say Yojini. Then the book is Hon. Okay. Then to read is Yomimas. So I'm gonna say at 4 o'clock, I'm gonna read book. Okay. Wakarimasu ka?
はい、わかります、先生。
Okay, good. Now next volunteer, any volunteer reply in Zoom chat. Okay, who wants to volunteer? Okay, John Ramon. Okay, Ramon. Okay, Ramon, kikoyamasu ka?
はい、聞こえます、先生。
Okay, hi. Okay, let's have this one. Ito, ちょっと待ってね。じゃあ、5時に何をしますか ?5 時に何をしますかラモンさん。
5時にシャワーを浴びます。
Okay, very good. So we have our shower. Okay, that's a long one. シャワーを浴びます。Okay, シャワーを浴びます。はい、横できました。Okay. Now, let's have, Ramon, let's have a different time here. じゃあ、かな、let's have, okay. じゃあ、6時に何をしますか
6時にwait, 先生。6時にご Gohan wo tabemasu.
Gohan wo tabemasu or ban gohan, dinner
Ban
time.
Gohan. Yeah. Ban Gohan. Okay. Sumimasen.
Tio, ban gohan wo tabemasu. Okay. You are saying here by 6 o'clock, I will eat dinner. Okay, I will eat dinner. Hai, yoko dekimashita. Ja, next volunteer reply
Arigatou
in Zoom
gozaimasu.
chat. Okay, any volunteer next? Okay, Kenzo. Okay, Kenzo kana. Okay. Ja, Kenzo kikoemasu ka? Kenzo.
Yes, sensei.
じゃあ、7時に何をしますか？
7時にテレビを見ます。
はい、ただし、テレビを見ます。はい。かな Okay, let's have this one. じゃあ、8時に何をしますか So earlier
8時
first we
に
have, okay, hold on. You said earlier 7時に, okay. Then follow with our terebi. Terebi is television. Oh, then mimasu. I'm gonna watch a television. How about this one? 8時に何をしますか
8時に猫を遊びます。
Okay, but this one, to play with my cat, so it become neko to asobimasu. Okay, because our to here, it means with. I play with my cat, okay? I have a good time with my cat. Wakarimasu ka?
あります先生。大丈夫。
Hai wakarimasu. Okay, hai wakarimasu. Daijoubu is a different one. Okay.
OK。はい、わかります。
Next one. Next volunteer. Any volunteer in chat? Like the next one. Okay. Catherine. Okay. Catherine. Catherine, imasu ka?
はい、聞こえます。
じゃあ、9時に何をしますか
9時に料理をします。
Okay, so we have our dish. Okay, to cook for a dish, we have our ryori. Okay, ryori. Then to make to cook is we have tsukurimasu.
作ります。
じゃあ、9時に何をしますか
9時に料理を作ります。
はい、よくできました。Okay, very good. Next volunteer. Next volunteer. Okay, let's have Fardin. Okay, Fardin. Okay, ちょっと待って。Fardin, いますか
はいます。
じゃあ、10時に何をしますか
10時に、sleep.
Okay, what is the sleep? 寝ます。
10時に寝ます。
はい。So follow our 10時に、okay? 10時に寝ます。
10
By
時に寝
10
ます。
o'clock, I will sleep. 10時に寝ま
に
す。
寝ます。
Okay, はい。Now let's have our different time here. Okay.
Nemasu.
Now you have time period here. You want to say, I'm sleeping from 10 o'clock up to 5 o'clock. So you have now our time A, kara, then time B, made, and follow with your verb. Okay, so how to say that?
Juji kara 5時まで寝ます。
Hi, yoko dekimashita. Okay, next volunteer, Zoom chat. Okay, any volunteer next?
10時から5時まで寝ます。
Okay, chat another. Genio, okay, genio, okay. Okay,
Hello po,
okay.
Sensei.
Hi, Genio-san, nanji kara nanji made hon wo yomimasu ka?
Hello, Sensei.
はい、何時から何時まで本を読みますか？
I'm Ju
Okay.
Gomen. Juni Ji
Of this one,
Kara
based on the picture, we have 2
from
points
10.
here. Right, from 10
Is
o'clock
it okay?
to
Okay.
2 o'clock. Okay, go ahead.
10時から10時から12まで読みま
10時
す。
から2時、
10時から2時まで読みます。
はい、よくできました。Okay,
Okay.
so this one is
ありがとう、
2時。
先生。
No?
ありがとう。
はい、いいや。Okay. Next volunteer, okay, reply in Zoom chat. Okay, Belinda, ka na? Okay. Okay, Belinda, can you hear me?
Hi.
Okay. Okay, so you're going this time period now, but it will change. Belinda, from 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock. 8時から9時、何時から何時までゲームをしますか？
8時から10時までゲームをします。
はい、ゲームをします。はい、よくできました。Okay, so that's how it works. Okay. じゃあ、みんな質問がありますか？ありません？ Okay, so if not, everyone turn on our camera and mic now. Okay. Okay, you can turn on your mic now. Let's have our ending now.
はい、先生。
Hi. Any question?
ありません。
Okay, good.
ないです。
質問はありません。
Okay, let's turn on our camera now. Hold on.
カメラがないよ。
I didn't overtime today because I want to make sure everyone will pass for the module 2, no? I don't want for my module 2 to go back to module 1. The coverage of
It's
your
okay, Sensei.
exam.
It's alright.
Okay, nagay.
We also don't want to
Talaga.
go back.
We want to go to module 10,000.
Okay, Jack, the leader, let's have the leader today. King is the champion. So that's the reason you will close the class. Okay. Jack, owarimashou.
Hello.
Otsukaresama deshita.
Otsukaresama deshita.
Okay. One more
Arigatou
King will say
gozaimashita.
Kyo.
Otsukaresama deshita.
Not
Mata
yet.
kondo.
Wala pa si King na sinasabing Kyo.
Ay,
Sige.
otsukare-sama deshita.
Narinig niyo po ako?
Okay, wait for the leader. Wait for the leader's turn.
Can you hear me?
Wait for the leader.
Hai, kikoimasu. Yoko
Ay.
kikoimasu.
Okay, one more from the beginning. Ja, owarimashou.
気をつけて、せーの。
気をつけて。
気をつけて。
Arigatou
ありがとうございました。
ありがとうございました。
お疲れ様でした。
ありがとうございました。お疲れ様でした。
はい、ありがとう
また
ございまし
今度ね。
た。お疲れ様でした。